Today I'm taking a look at the Wera HEX-Plus Allen wrench set. So I got the metric as well as the SAE. These are just the best Allen wrenches I've tried. We use them at work. We'll even take these things and we'll take a hammer and we will smack them into socket head bolts just to knock out the grime so we can have a good seating. They put up with a ton of abuse. Now you might wonder why I have an extra set right here. The reason is because this is the reason I got this set. So the story is I was going off to work. My girlfriend got a new bed frame. She wanted to put it together and use socket head bolts, so I gave her this set. When I got it back, it was missing the 4mm. We still haven't found it, so I decided to go ahead and get another set. What I did not realize at the time was that you can actually buy extras. The reason that's important is because most Allen sets, if you lose one, you just got to buy the whole thing. Maybe you can buy a different one from another company. These HEX-Plus Allens, that is not a problem. So now I've got my full set back, plus I got these two, and I'm definitely not worse off for it. Here's the metric sets. You can see we go from a 1.5 up to 5 on the front, and on the back we got a 6, 8, and a 10. Something that makes it a little unique is we got the switch here so we can open this guy up. Although I never use it this way, it's kind of nonsense in my opinion, but the fact of the matter is you can do that if you want to. So the thing that makes these stand out is that they actually kind of point out a little bit on the edges. One of the problems with socket head bolts is it's hard getting a really good grab on them, especially when you go into these smaller sizes. So if you're trying to grab onto a stainless steel screw that's been overdriven with a small size, chances are you're going to round that out. If you did round that out, this is the set you're going to need to go to in order to get that out, and anything beyond that you basically need a chisel and a hammer to break that thing loose. But that's why I always go with this, because the chances of not only getting bolts that are already rounded off out, but also just not rounding off bolts in the first place. So with that on top of the truly high quality metal, this is an excellent set. So this is the set that I did not have. This is the SAE. We can see the switch is yellow on this one, while the other one was green. And it appears that the colors are somewhat similar even compared to the sizes. I also appreciate these sizes on here are really easy to see even from a couple of feet away. If you take a regular Allen wrench, you basically got to hold it right up to your eyes in order to see what the size actually is. So we got a 5/64, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, quarter, 5/16, and 3/8. As you can tell on that 3/8, that is a very long wrench. If you actually need to break this guy out, that will give you a ton of leverage. So yeah, now I got two metric sets and the SAE set, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Most of the things I deal with are metric anyway, but having the SAE set is a nice bonus. So if you're looking for an Allen set and you want to have the absolute best that you can get, these are the best that you can get.